how to fix GTA 5 lag problem and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's easy. First all you need to do, just go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down, it will find background apps. Now just turn it off. You'll find it like that. You can turn off all the applications that you don't need, or you can just turn off all the applications just by turning off the first option. After that, type here device and go to device manager. And now once you're here, go to display adapters, and here we'll find your GPU. Right click on it, click update driver and click search automatically for drivers. Now just wait for it, and if the driver is already installed, just close here and go to settings, go to gaming, and now click graphics settings, and now enable this option and restart your PC. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.